China's role in designing the COVID virus has been exposed as per an explosive new UK study. Scientists in Britain claim that the virus was created in a lab in Wuhan and has no credible natural ancestor. British Professor Angus Dalgleish and Norwegian scientist Dr Birger Sorensen have claimed that the virus was created by Chinese scientists who were working on a project in the Wuhan lab. According to the report, Chinese scientists took a natural coronavirus backbone found in Chinese cave bats, turned it into the deadly COVID-19. This is coming in after US President Joe Biden ordered the intelligence agencies to submit a report on the origin of COVID-19 in the next 3 months. Biden directed the agency to report whether the virus came from an animal source or from a laboratory accident. Gaurav Samant joins us for the very latest. Gaurav, this is a very explosive study, and this is something that nails the lives of China. And there's also somewhere stamps what Dr. Anthony Fauci also has said to international media about the fact that he's not convinced that this COVID-19 has found natural ancestors. Even he doesn't seem to be convinced, and now the chorus is growing against China.
So what Dr. Anthony Fauci has now come around to saying is what two scientists, a professor in Britain and a Norwegian scientist, have concluded through a very explosive study, as you rightly point out. So these two say that there is no credible natural ancestor of COVID-19, and they are saying that this was a gain-of-function study going on at the Wuhan lab for about a year, where natural bat virus was spliced, and then there was a gain of function research done on it to ensure that it becomes far more effective, and that is how it spread. And then they tried to cover up. The two scientists claim then there was a very elaborate cover up. Now it remains to be seen, with this increased international pressure, whether the world is able to come around and tell China to open up the Wuhan lab in a transparent manner. Remember, China claims that it opened up the Wuhan lab to the World Health Organization, but WHO scientists have also said that they were not given original papers. They were only given summary of patients, and the allegation is that there was a very elaborate cover-up. Now it remains to be seen whether a proper investigation is carried out. Because remember, Chetty, there are also 18 scientists from across different universities in the world who've come together and said that this does not appear to be natural and that there needs to be an investigation.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Thank you for getting us that report right there. My colleague Akshat Anand Gopal tells us about 7 reasons why China now finds itself in the dock.
Here's a breakdown of all the proof against China that's leading to the speculation about coronavirus being lab created. First, Wuhan lab staff had COVID symptoms before the pandemic based on US Intel agency's report. Now, China had destroyed initial human samples of the virus, which made it impossible for detailed investigation so far. Now, the third reason there is all of the speculation is because of an influenza outbreak in China back in December 2019 itself. Also, China's bid to silence domestic medical voices who've raised questions about the origins of the virus has also led to speculation that they're hiding something. China initially also covered up the existence of the virus. They simply did not highlight it to the authorities globally, and many questions have been raised about that as well. Access to Wuhan lab as well as information has been blocked time and again, even for the WHO, which has been trying to ensure fair investigation into the origins of this virus. Another reason is because of the fact that China has been unwilling to face an open and transparent global probe, something that other countries, including the United States, have raised, the need for China's cooperation.